Welcome back to iRaise online classes. See the next question in indices and surds. Previously we solved some questions. This is the next question. Square root of 26 minus 15 root 3 by 5 root 2 minus root of 38 minus 5 root 3 is equal to how much? So first I want to find the value of the denominator. Root of 38 plus 5 root 3. This can be written as root of 72 plus 10 root 3 by 2. Here this is not in the form of 2 root b. So to make that I want to write like this. This can be written as 76. 76 plus 2 root of, if 5 is transferred it becomes a 25, 25 3 75 by 2. Here if any square root is in the form of a plus 2 root b, where a is a sum of two terms and b is a product of two terms, then square root is nothing but root x plus root y. This is a product of two terms 75 into 1, and this is sum of two terms 75 plus 1. So the square root of this is root 75 plus 1, root of 2, nothing but root 2. What is root 75? 25 threes. Okay, 25 threes. 5 root 3 plus 1 by root 2. This is the value of that. So then what is the denominator totally? 5 root 2 minus of the value, that is 5 root 3 plus 1 by root 2. So this can be written as LCM is root 2, 2 5 is 10 minus 5 root 3 plus 1. Okay, 10 minus 1 is 9 minus 5 root 3 by root 2. By taking root 3 common in the numerator, we get this is 3 root 3. 3 root 3 into root 3 is 9 minus 5 by root 2. So this is the denominator value. Okay, the denominator value is root 3 times 3 root 3 minus 5 by root 2. Then what about the numerator value? What about the numerator value? Here this is root of 26 minus 15 root 3. This can be written as root of 52 minus 30 root 3 by 2, which is equal to root of 52 minus 2 root of. If 15 is transferred to this, we get 15 into 15 into 3 by 2. So this is product of terms and this is sum of terms. See carefully, I want to simplify this. 5 into 3 into 5 into 3 into 3. This is a product of this. 5 5 is 25, 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. So 27, 25. Sum is 52, product is this one. So this can be written as, here, this is a product of 27 into 25. This is sum of 27 plus 25. So root 27 plus root 25 by 2. Okay, whole square. This is whole square by 2. So this is root 27. Root 27 is 3 root 3. Root 25 is 5 by root 2. Sorry, minus is there. You have to put minus here. Minus. So the numerator is 3 root 3 minus 5 by root 2. Here both denominators, this one and this one cancel. We get the answer as 1 by root 3. The answer is 1 by root 3. So some lengthy question. You have to find square root of both the numerator and denominator. Okay. First find the value of this part. Then 5 root 2 minus of this one gives this value. This is the denominator. Again find the square root of numerator. We get 3 root 3 minus 5 by root 2. These two are same. So answer is 1 by root 3. Okay. Next question. Here root of 6 plus 2 root 3 by 33 minus 19 root 3. Here big numbers are given. I want to write this as root of, okay, take root 3 common in the numerator, we get 2 root 3 plus 2 by, take root 3 common in the denominator also, we get 11 root 3 minus 19. Here root 3 gets cancelled. Next, this is equal to under root of. Here I want to multiply it by 11 root 3 plus 19 and 11 root 3 plus 19. Multiplied and divided by same number. So a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, this is 121 into 3, 121 into 3, which is equal to 363, minus 960, 19 square is 361, this is the denominator. Then what is the numerator value? Here the numerator is 11 root 3 into 2 root 3, 22 3 is 66. 11 root 3 into 2, 22 root 3, 19 into 2 root 3, 38 root 3, 19 2s 38. So this is equal to, take 2 common in the numerator and also 2 in the denominator, they gets cancelled. This is 33 plus 11 root 3, okay, plus 11 root 3 plus 19 root 3, 19 root 3 plus 19 by 2. These two gets cancelled. Therefore, this is equal to under root of 19 plus 33 is 52 plus, if you add these two, we get 30 root 3. So it is converted into the same as the previous question. Here this is nothing but root of 52 plus 2 root of 15 is transferred, 15 into 15 into 3. This is a product of, in the previous question we solved, 27 into 25. This is nothing but 27 plus 25. So therefore the answer is root 27 plus root 25. This is 3 root 3 plus 5 is the answer for this question. 3 root 3 plus 5. Here big numbers, we have to write this as a product of 2 terms and sum of 2 terms. Otherwise finding the value is somewhat difficult, please. Okay. Next. Here cube root of 26 plus 15 root 3 plus cube root of 26 minus 15 root 3. If you find cube root of 1, then the remaining are very easy. Cube root of 26 plus 15 root 3 is known. If it is root x plus root y, if this is x plus root y, then this is nothing but x minus root y. Actually this question can be solved in 2 different ways, but the second process is lengthy. Here cubing on both sides, 26 plus 15 root 3 is equal to, cube this. This can be written as x cube plus 3x square root y plus 3xy plus y root y. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Already the method is told. This is not necessary. We can directly compare. This is rational part. X cube plus 3xy is a rational part. Compare with 26. By taking root y into 3x square plus y, this is irrational part, compare with this 15 root 3. Okay, compare these two and also these two. First I want to compare these two, root y, root 3. So I want to consider y as 3. Let. Then what is 3x square plus y? Is equal to 15. Already y is 3, so 3x square is equal to 12. x square is equal to 4, x is equal to 2. Substitute these values in this. X cube is nothing but 8. X cube is equal to, x cube plus 3xy, I want to directly find. This is 8 plus 3 into x2, y3, 9 to 18, 18 plus 8 is 26, so satisfied. So therefore, this value is nothing but 2 plus root 3. Therefore, what is cube root of 26 minus 15 root 3? This is nothing but 2 minus root 3. Then add these two, this one and this one. So therefore, the answer for this question is 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3. These two cancel. So answer is 4. Okay, answer for this question is 4. Okay, next question. A is equal to root 2 plus 1, B is root 2 minus 1, then what is 1 by A plus 1 plus 1 by B plus 1? I want to write directly the question. 1 by A plus 1 plus 1 by B plus 1 is equal to 1 by, if 1 is added we get root 2 plus 2. If 1 is added to this is 1 by root 2, simply. I want to rationalize this. This can be written as root 2 minus 2 by 2 minus 4 plus, and again this is 1 by root 2 multiplied and divided by root 2. This is minus 2, this is also 2. I want to consider the LCM as 2. Okay, this is minus 2. This is minus 2. So therefore we get minus root 2 plus 2 plus root 2. Here this is LCM is 2. So numerator is 2. This one and this one cancel. So 2 by 2 is 1. Answer for this question is 1. Once again listen. Directly write this one. B plus 1 is 1 by root 2. Rationalize this. Root 2 minus 2 by this square minus this square. Nothing but minus 2. This is the denominator is also multiplied and divided by root 2. The denominator is 2. I want to take LCM as 2 here. This is minus root 2 plus root 2 because this is minus 1. This is plus root 2. Minus root 2 plus root 2 cancel. We get 2 by 2 as 1. Okay. Very simple question. Next one. 3 plus 2 root 2 whole power minus 3. 3 minus 2 root 2 whole power minus 3. Here, very simple. See here, if A is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, what is 1 by A? 1 by 3 plus 2 root 2, reciprocal of this is nothing but 3 minus 2 root 2 by 1, nothing but 9 minus 8, which is equal to 3 minus 2 root 2. Okay, that means this is the reciprocal of this. If A, this is reciprocal of this, the same is opposite. So I want to write this as the question as 1 by 3 plus 2 root 2 whole cube plus 1 by 3 minus 2 root 2 whole cube. So power is minus 1, minus of 3. I want to write this. Here 1 by what is 3 plus 2 root 2? Nothing but 3 minus 2 root 2 whole cube. And the second one is nothing but 3 plus 2 root 2 whole cube. Because this is reciprocal of this. 1 by this is equal to this one. 1 by 3 minus 2 root 2 is 3 plus 2 root 2. This is in the form of, A minus B whole cube plus A plus B whole cube. What is the formula for A minus B? Algebraic identity is A minus B whole cube plus A plus B whole cube is equal to 2 times A cube plus 3AB square. This is a formula I have given. So therefore the answer is 2 times A cube, 3 cube plus 3 into A into B square. B is 2 root 2. 2 root 2 whole square is 8. Okay, this is 9. 9 8s are 72 plus 27, which is equal to 2 times 99. So 200 minus 2, 198 is the answer. 200 minus 2, 198 is the answer. A minus b whole cube plus a plus b whole cube is equal to 2 times a cube plus 3ab square. Okay, next. If root 5 is 2.236, then what is the value of this? This is root 5 by 2 plus 5 by 3 root 5 minus root 45. This is the question given. I want to write this as a root 5 by 2 plus root 5 cancel, root 5 by 3 minus 3 into root 5. 45 can be written as 9 into 5. So this can be written as 3 root 5. Okay. So then how to simplify this? Here there are, after simplification, substitute root 5 as 2.236. Otherwise, direct substitution also gives the answer. Okay. So I want to simplify first by taking root 5 common. Root 5 common, what we get here? This is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 3. Root 5 into LCM is 6. Okay, this is 2 3s, 3 2s minus 6 3s 18. Okay, this is a 5 minus 13 by 6, minus 13 by 6 root 5. Then substitute the values. Minus 13 by 6 into 2.236. Okay, I want to cancel here. 6 3 is 18, 0.3 times. 43. 6 7s 42, 16. 6 2s 12, 40, 6 6 approximately. So what is the value of minus 13 into 3 point something? Here this is 13 3 is 39, is more than 39, and 13 4s are 52, less than 5 point. So answer is minus 4.845. So this is nothing but not necessary to use these two, because 0.37 is enough. 2 is a very small number. So this is 13 3 is 39, 3.9. 13 4s are 52, 5.2. It lies between those two. Answer is only 1. Okay, next question. If x is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6 by 5 minus 2 root 6, then what is the value of x square into x minus 10 whole square? Here x is given as root of 5 plus 2 root 6 by 5 minus 2 root 6. I want to multiply it by 5 plus 2 root 6 by 5 plus 2 root 6, rationalization. This is equal to root of 5 plus 2 root 6 whole square by 25 minus 24, which is equal to 1. A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So what is the value of x? 5 plus 2 root 6. This is x value. Okay. Then what is x minus 10? If x is this, x minus 10 is 5 plus 2 root 6 minus 10, which is equal to 2 root 6 minus 5. Okay. Then I want to substitute in the question x square 5 plus 2 root 6 whole square into x minus 10 minus of 5 minus 2 root 6 whole square. By taking minus common, this is plus, this is minus. So here minus square is positive. This is nothing but 5 plus 2 root 6 into 5 minus 2 root 6 whole square. A square b square can be written as ab whole square. Okay, so then what is product of this? 25 minus 24 whole square, which is equal to 1. So answer is 1. Because square is positive, we don't get negative answers, please. We don't get a negative answers in squares. So this is not the answer. This is also not the answer. Next question. The value of 2 root 10 by root 5 plus root 2 minus root 10. Actually, this type of questions will given generally in tier 2 because they are lengthy procedures. I want to consider one by one and I want to make the question simple. Okay. So first 2 root 10 by root 5 plus root 2 minus root 7. Rationalize this. This is nothing but root 5 plus root 2 plus root 7 by root 5 plus root 2 plus root 7 multiplied and divided by same number. This is first part. This is a 2 root 10 into root 5 plus root 2 plus root 7 by, this is a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square, which is equal to 5 root 5 plus root 2 whole square minus root 7 whole square is 7. What is the denominator? A square plus b square plus 2 root 10 minus 7. This is a 2 root 10 into root 5 plus root 2 plus root 7. 7 cancel. Here 2 root 10, this 2 root 10 is also cancel. The numerator is the numerator of first one is root 5 plus root 2 plus root 7. This is first part. This part is this. What is the second part of the equation? I want to consider this one. Root of root 5 minus 2 by root 5 plus 2 multiplied by root 5 minus 2 by root 5 minus 2. This is under root of root 5 minus 2 whole square by 5 minus 4, which is equal to 1. So second part is root 5 minus 2, second part. And what is the third part here? 3 by root 7 minus 2 multiplied by root 7 plus 2 and root 7 plus 2. We get a 3 into root 7 plus 2 by 7 minus 2, 7 minus 4, which is equal to 3. 3 cancel, you get root 7 plus 2 is the third part. Then add these three parts. Okay, this one, and this one. Okay, this minus this minus this. So the question can be written as like this: root 5 plus root 2 plus root 7 minus of second part is root 5 minus 2 minus of third part is root 7 plus 2. Plus root 7 minus root 7 cancel, minus root 5 plus root 5 cancel. Minus of minus 2 plus 2, this is minus 2 cancel. Okay, so answer for this question is root 2. You get only this one. This is minus of minus 2 plus 2, minus 2 cancel. Okay, so this is about this question. Next one. Which of the following is true? This type of questions giving in type 2. Here, different questions having different methods. Actually, if small numbers are given, the problem is very easy, but big numbers are given, it is somewhat difficult. So to find this, I want to consider 11 power 1 by 3. Cube root of 11 means 11 power 1 by 3. All numbers are same. 7 power 1 by 2 and 45 power 1 by 4. These are the three numbers given. Which one is more first? What is the biggest one? Here, decreasing order is given. First, I want to find the biggest one. First, compare these two. What we get? Don't take whole power 12, please. Don't take whole power 12. 7 power 6, finding 7 power 6 is somewhat difficult. 7 power 1 by 2, 45 power 1 by 4, taking whole power 4 for both. This is 7 square, this is 45. 7 square 49, this is 45. So this is more. This one is big. So if you compare these two, this is biggest one. So this must be more than root 45. Root 7 must be more than root 45. So this is wrong. Next, I want to compare these two. Second one, 11 power 1 by 3, 7 power 1 by 2. Which one is more in these two? Take whole power 6, whole power 6. This is nothing but 11 square, 121. This is 7 cube, 343. So this is more. So in these two, this is more. 7 power 1 by 2 is more than 11 power cube root of 11. Okay? This is wrong. That means root 7 is the biggest one. Here this is more than 4th root of 45 and this is more than 11th root of this one. Okay? So this is nothing but root 7 is the biggest one. So then we have to check these two. 45 power 1 by 4, 11 power 1 by 3. Which one is more in these two? Then we have to take whole power 12 and simplify. That is one method. Okay? Or I want to take here as the question as taking whole power 4. This is nothing but 45. This is 11 power 4 by 3. I want to write this as 11 into cube root of 11. 11 into cube root of 11. This is equal to 11 into cube root of 11 value lies between 2 and 3. This lies between 2 and 3. Lies between 2 and 3. 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27. So this is nearer to 2 cube. That means this total value lies between 22 and 33. But this is 45. It's very big. Okay. The first one is 7 power 1 by 2. Next biggest one. In these two, the biggest one is 45. So this must be in the second position. And this must be in the last position. So answer for this question is this one. If not possible, for example, if this is also lies between some less than 50, then you have to go by original method only. Okay? So answer for this question, this is not the question. 45 power 1 by 4 is more than cube root of 11. Okay? If any other question is given, I will use the second method also. Next. 1 by 1 plus root 2. This is a very simple question. Just I want to rationalize it directly. The first part is after rationalization 1 minus root 2 by minus 1. Second part root 2 minus root 3 by 2 minus 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus root 4 by minus 1 plus and so on plus root 99 minus root 100 by minus 1. The denominator is minus 1. In numerator all these cancel, 1 minus the remaining gets cancelled, we get minus 100. 100 root of 100. Here root of 100 is nothing but 10. This value is 10. Okay, 1 minus 10. Minus 9 by minus 1. So answer for this question is 9. Very simple question. Answer is 9. Next. This is also same model question, but you have to find the square root and rationalization. First one is root of 11 minus 2 root 30. What is the square root of this value? This is 6 into 5. This is 6 plus 5. So therefore this is nothing but root 6 minus root 5. First part. Second part. What is root of 7 minus 2 root 10? root of 7 minus 2 root 10. This is 5 plus 2, this is 5 into 2, so this is root 5 minus root 2. Third one, this can be written as root of 8 plus 4 root 2 can be written as root of 8 plus 2 root 8 root 3, sorry. 8 plus 4 root 3, 2 is transferred, we get 12. This is 6 into 2, this is 6 plus 2. So this value is root 6 plus root 2. Then substitute in the question. 1 by root 6 minus root 5 minus 3 by root 5 minus root 2 minus 4 by root 6 plus root 2. After rationalization, we get root 6 plus root 5 by 1. After rationalization, this is root 5 plus root 2 by 5 minus 2, 3. This is root 6 minus root 2 by 4. Multiplied and divided by root 6 minus root 2. Here 4 cancel, 3 cancel. Root 6 plus root 5 minus root 5 minus root 2 minus root 6 minus into minus plus root 2. So what are the terms cancel here? These two cancel, root 6, root 6, root 5 cancel. So answer is 0. The answer for this question is 0. Okay. Next question. Yeah, this is same as the previous question, but reciprocals of the values are given. Don't confuse. Just I want to consider the first original names. After original numbers are considered, then which one is bigger one? Reciprocal of that is smaller one. If A is biggest one, 1 by A is the smallest one. So first one is 12 power 1 by 3, 29 power 1 by 4, 5 power 1 by 2. So these are the terms. First I want to compare these two. What we get if we compare? 29 power 1 by 4, 5 power 1 by 2, take whole power 4. Okay, this can be written as whole power 2 please. Sorry, whole power 4. This is 29. This is 5 square 25. Okay, 25. So in this I want to find the first smallest one. 25 is the smallest one. This is the smallest one. Okay, 1 by smallest one is the biggest one. Next, I want to compare this one and this one again. 12 power 1 by 3, 5 power 1 by 2. Taking whole power 6. Whole power 6. What we get? This is 12 square 144. This is 5 cube 125. Again this is the smallest one. So 1 by root 5, sorry, root 5 is the smallest one. Root 5 is the smallest one. Therefore 1 by root 5 is the biggest one. This one and this one. The remaining are wrong. Okay. If you compare, this is the smallest one. If you compare these two, again this is the smallest one. So 1 by root 5 is the biggest one. In these two, again we have to compare. 12 power 1 by 3, 29 power 1 by 4. Here the previous method is not applicable because this can be written as 12 root 12. 12 root 5 also lies between, here 12 root 12, root 12 lies between 2 comma 3. So 22 comma 36, here 29 is also lies between 24 comma 26, sorry 36. So I want to take a whole power 12. Whole power 12. This is 12 power 4. This is 29 cube. So I want to find both values 29 cube and 12 power 12, 12 power 4. This is 144 whole square. This is a 144 square, 144 multiplied by 144. I want to give a simple method, 1 cross star cross 1 method for double digit multiplication. Okay, see carefully the method. 144 multiplied by 144. First vertical, 4 4s are 16. Know this method, or if you know, no problem. 1 means vertical multiplication. 4 4s are 16. Write 6, 1 in hand. Cross this into this, added. 16 plus 16, 32 plus 1, 33. Again 3 is in hand. Second part over. Third one. This is first into last, last into first, middle into middle. 4 into 1, 4. 4, 8. 8 plus 4 into 4, 16. 8 plus 16, 24. Plus 3, 27. So 2 in hand. First into last, last into first, middle into middle. This is 16 plus 4, 20, 24 plus 3, 27. Again cross. 4 into 1, 4 into 1, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Okay, 1 in hand. Last vertical, 1 into 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So the value is 20736. 0736. Okay, 12 square 144. This is wrong. 144 whole square. So then what is a 29 cube? I want to find 29 cube directly. 29 square into 29. 29 square is nothing but 841 into 29. What do we get here? Same method I want to use. Okay, 841 029, 1 cross 1 method. 9 into 1, 9. Second part, 9 4s are 36 plus 2, 38. 3 in hand. First into last, last into first, middle into middle. 9 8s are 72 plus 0 plus 8. 72 plus 8, 80 plus 3, 83. 8 in hand. Next cross again. 2 8s are 16 plus 0, 16. 16 plus 8, 24. 2 in hand. 8 zeros, 0, 0 plus 2, 2. So this is the value. So this is nothing but this value is 24389, but this is 20736. In these, which one is smallest one? The smallest one is this one. Okay, 12 power 1 by 4. A cube root of 12 is the smallest one. This is the biggest one in all. If this is the biggest one in all, therefore this is the smallest of one. Sorry, reciprocal is very small. So 29 is very small. So this is the answer. So this is not the answer. Understood? So this is the way of finding the values if multiplications are there. Learn this one if we don't know. Otherwise this is useful for finding squares, a 3-digit multiplication. 3-digit multiplied by 2-digit number. Okay. Next question. 27 power x plus 27 power x minus 1 by 3 is 972. What is the value of x? What is the value of? I want to write 27 as 3 power 3 into x, 3 power 3x. This is 3 power 3x minus 1 is 972. If it is multiplied by 3 cube into x minus 1 by 3, what do we get here? 3x minus 1. Again this can be written as 3 power 3x plus 3 power 3x into 1 by 3. 3 power minus 1 is 1 by 3 is equal to 972. Taking 3 power 3x common, we get 1 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 972. So 3 power 3x into 4 by 3 is equal to 972. Cancel with 4. 4 2s 8. 4 4 16. 4 3 is 12. So 3 power 3x is equal to 3 into 243 can be written as 3 power 5. So 3 power 3x is equal to 3 power 6. So 3x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 2 for this question. X is equal to 2. Okay. Next one. This is same as the previous question. This is also same model question, not same question. Rationalize each term. I want to rationalize it directly. The first after rationalization we get root 100 minus root 99, sorry, plus. Second one after rationalization, root 99 plus root 98 by 1. Third one is root 98 plus root 97 by 1. Alternate positive, negative and given. The last one is root 2 plus 1 by 1. Positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. Here these terms gets cancelled. This one and this one cancel. Minus root 98 plus root 98 plus 9 root 97, next root 97 and minus root 2 plus root 2 gets cancelled. Root 100 is 10 plus 1 by 1. So answer for this question is 11. The first one is positive, last one is also positive. Okay, next question. So first I want to find the denominator of this one. What is root of 7 plus 4 root 3? Root of 7 plus 2 root 12. If 2 is transferred, it becomes 4, 4 3 is 12. This can be written as a product of two terms, so 4 into 3, this is 4 plus 3. So what is the answer for this question? Root 4 plus root 3, which is equal to 2 plus root 3. The second part is root of 4 plus 2 root 3. This is 3 into 1, this is 3 plus 1. Okay, so therefore the answer is root 3 plus 1. The answer is root 3 plus 1. Then if you add these two, subtract, the denominator is nothing but 2 plus root 3 minus root 3 plus 1. Then the denominator is root 3 cancel, we get 1. The denominator is 1. Then what is this one? 6 square plus 7 square plus 8 square plus 9 square plus 10 square. Okay. So what is the value of this? Directly square and add, that gives the answer one method. Or I want to apply formula 36 plus 49 plus 64 plus 81 plus 100. If you add, that gives the answer because the denominator of this is 1. Actually this is nothing but a series. I want to write the series as 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to 10 square minus 1 square plus 2 square up to 5 square. This is applicable not for simple numbers. If any question of this type is given, you can apply. Sum of squares of 10 natural numbers. The formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This is the formula. Sum of squares of continuous natural numbers up to 10. So this is 10 into 11 into 21 by 6. This is first part. Sum of squares of first 5 natural numbers. 5 into n plus 1, 6 into 11 by 6. Okay. So this is equal to 3 2s, 3 7s, 2 1s, 2 5s, 35 into 11, 385 minus 6 6 cancel here, this is 55. 385 minus 55 is 330 is the answer for this question because denominator is 1. Okay, next question. 6 plus root 10 minus root 21 minus root 35. This is root 6 minus root 10 plus root 21 minus 35. See the options. Here options are in terms of integers, not irrational numbers. Here this is product of irrational numbers. Answer is an integer. How to get this one? See carefully, this is 10 means root 5 into root 2, root 7 into root 3, root 7 into root 5. If you multiply these numbers with these numbers, we don't get the irrational numbers. Only rational numbers or integer is if you multiply the same numbers only. Root 6 multiplied by root 6, 6. Minus root 10 multiplied by root 10, minus 10. Root 21 minus root 21 multiplied, minus 21. Minus root 35 minus root 35 multiplied, 35. If you multiply any number with the other numbers, we don't get a rational part. So what is the answer for this question? 35 plus 6 of 41 minus 31. So value is 10. So answer for this question is 10. Okay, otherwise you have to write like this. Root 65 minus root 6 minus root 35 in one bracket plus root 10 minus root 21 in one bracket. This is first part. Multiplied by root 6 minus root 35 minus root 10 minus root 21. This is second part. This is in the form of a plus b, a minus b. A square minus b square, nothing but root 6 minus root 35 whole square minus root 10 minus root 21 whole square. If you simplify, you get the answer. Here this is nothing but 6 plus 35 minus 2 root 6 into root 35, first part. 10 plus 27 minus 2 root 10 root 21. Here these two gets cancelled. This is 210 minus 2 root 210. This is also 36, 5 is also 210, cancel. This is 41 minus 31. So answer is 10. Okay, next question. I want to write directly the question. The denominator is root 2 plus root 3 minus root 5 into root 2 minus root 5. I want to write like this. Just a minute. This can be written as root 2 minus root 5 plus root 3 multiplied by root 2 minus root 5 minus root 3. Then numerator is root 2 minus root 3 minus root 5 plus root 2 plus root 3 minus root 5. This is A, this is B, this is A, this is B. What is A plus B into A minus B? A square minus B square, root 2 minus root 5 whole square minus root 3 whole square. Then here plus root 3 minus root 3 cancel. Plus root 3 minus root 3 cancel. Then what is numerator? 2 times root 2 minus root 5. This is a numerator. What is the denominator here? This can be written as, the denominator can be written as 2 plus 5 minus 2 root 10 minus 3. This is 2 times root 2 minus root 5. 7 minus 3 is 4 minus 2 root 10. This is 4 minus 2 root 10. Take 2 common. Okay. Then what we get here? Just a minute. I want to write one more step here. The denominator is 4 minus 2 root 10. Okay. This is 2 into root 2 minus root 5. From this take root 2 common. What we get? This is 2 into root 2 minus root 5 by taking 2 root 2 common. If you take 2 root 2 common, here we get root 2 because the value is 4. If you take 2 root 2 common, 2 root 2 common, we get root 5. These 2 gets cancelled, 2 cancel, answer is 1 by root 2. Answer is 1 by root 2. Next. Here number of square roots are there, we have to find square roots of each term. First I want to find the value of this one. Root of 7 plus 4 root 3 is equal to root of 7 plus 2 root 12. This is 4 into 3, 4 plus 3. Root 4 plus root 3, 2 plus root 3. This is first part. Then what is root of 3 plus 8 into this one? Nothing but 2 plus root 3. This is equal to root of, this is 8 to 16 plus 3, 19 plus 8 root 3 can be written as 2 root 16 3 is 48. Again this can be written as 16 into 3, this is 16 plus 3, so this is root 16 plus root 3. This is 4 plus root 3. So then the question is root of minus root 3 plus 4 plus root 3. Root 3 cancel, root 4 is equal to 2. Answer is 2. So finding square root, again square root, 2 times. So know how to find the square root very fast. Conversion, 16 3 is 16 plus 3. Here also 4 into 3, 4 plus 3. If you don't know the numbers concepts, we don't get the answer easily, please. Okay, next. Here x is equal to 1 plus root 3 by 2 under root minus 1 minus root 3 by 2. So here if you know the value of this, the second part is easy. What is square root of 1 plus root 3 by 2? This can be written as 2 plus root 3 by 2. This can be written as 4 plus 2 root 3 by 4 multiplied and divided by 2. Here this is 3 into 1. This is 3 plus 1. So the value is root 3 plus 1 by 2. So then what is x value? X value first part is root 3 plus 1 by 2 minus root 3 minus 1 by 2 second part. Okay. So if you simplify this, root 3 gets cancelled, 1 minus minus 1, 2 by 2, x is equal to 1. Then substitute in the question. The question is nothing but root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1. What is the value of this? Nearly. If you rationalize this can be written as root 2 minus 1 into root 2 plus 1, minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 into root 2 minus 1 multiplied and divided by same number. The denominator is 1. This is root 2 minus 1 whole square. What is root 2 minus 1 whole square? 2 plus 1 minus 2 root 2. This is the answer. 2 plus 1 is 3 minus 2 into 1.414. Okay. So this is nearly 0.17 or 18. 0.17. Okay. 3.000 minus 2 4s 8, 2 1s 2, 2 4s 8, 2 point. 10 minus 8 to 2, 9 minus 2 7, 1 point. So 1.1717. Okay, next. The expression is equal to, this is root of 10 plus 2 root 6 minus 2 root 15 minus 2 root to 10. Here this is a product of 5 into 2, 5 into 3, 3 into 2, 5 plus 3 plus 2. Here negative is for 5 as well as 5 into 3 is negative, 5 into 2 is negative, therefore negative is 5. So root 5 should be having a minus sign. The remaining two are plus. So answer is root 3 plus root 2 minus root 5. Positive square root is this only. So answer for this is this. Okay.